If you're still rocking a mid-2012 MacBook Air, you know the struggle. It's a fantastic machine, but the original SSD can feel a bit sluggish these days. Today, we're looking at a potential solution. The GAMERKING 1TB SSD Upgrade, specifically designed for the A1466, EMC2558, and A1465, EMC2559 models. First things first, compatibility. It's crucial to double-check the EMC number on the back of your MacBook Air to ensure this SSD will work. GAMERKING has made it very clear which models this drive is compatible with, so do your homework before purchasing. Now, let's talk performance. GAMERKING claims read speeds of up to 550 MB/s and write speeds of up to 500 MB/s. While those aren't earth-shattering numbers by modern standards, there is significant improvement over the original SSD in these older MacBook Airs. This translates to faster boot times, quicker application loading, and a generally more responsive system. The upgrade breathes new life into an aging machine. Beyond just speed, this SSD offers a substantial capacity boost. Going from the original 128 GB or 256 GB to a full 1 TB gives you plenty of room for photos, videos, and all your other files. It's a welcome change for anyone who's been constantly battling storage limitations. One of the most appealing aspects of this upgrade is its ease of installation. GAMERKING pre-installs macOS on the SSD, making the process relatively straightforward, even for those who aren't tech experts. It's essentially a plug-and-play solution, which is a huge plus. GAMERKING also highlights several features aimed at enhancing performance and reliability. The use of 3D NAND TLC flash memory, along with support for NCQ, TRIM, and SMART technologies, contributes to the drive's overall efficiency and longevity. Built-in encryption and dynamic thermal guard technology are also welcome additions, providing extra data security and preventing overheating. The support for Boot Camp is also a great feature, allowing for stable operation of dual systems. Overall, the GAMERKING 1TB SSD appears to be a solid upgrade option for mid-2012 MacBook Air owners looking to boost performance and storage capacity. The pre-installed macOS and plug-and-play design make it an accessible solution for users of all skill levels. If you're tired of your aging MacBook Air feeling slow and cramped, this SSD could be just what you need to give a new lease on life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.